Good morning, students. Greeting for the day. In the previous lecture, I have told you about the common features of birds and beaks. In this lecture, we are going to study about the types of beaks. It means birds have different types of beaks according to their feeding habits. That means what type of food they have eaten, that type of beak they have. Different birds have different types of beaks. So in this chapter we will learn about different types of beaks. Here are crushing beak, curved beak, piercing and tearing beak, chiseling beak, probing beak, sifting beak and sticky beak. We will discuss all these beaks in this chapter. Look at the pictures. You can see a pigeon and sparrow in this picture. So these birds have crushing beak. That means they have beak which can crush hard seeds and grains and make them soft before eating. So birds like pigeon and sparrow have a short and hard beak to crush seeds and grains. Now come to next, that is curved beak. Look at the picture. That is the picture of a parrot, and you can see that birds like parrot have a curved beak, and this beak helps them to crack nuts and eat fruits. So parrots have curved beak for cracking nuts and fruits. Now third one is piercing and tearing beak. It means they can tear their food with their hard and curved beak. So here's the picture of eagle and vulture. Okay, so they have strong, hard and curved beak. It helps them to tear the flesh. So they have piercing and tearing beak to tear the flesh. Now here is, do you know in your book? There are some birds which can imitate our voice. Like parrot is one of them. Parrot can imitate our voice, and crows and hens have beaks that help them to eat a variety of foods like meat, fruits, grains and insects. Now chiseling beak. Here is the picture of woodpecker, and you know it makes its nest in the holes of tree trunk. So it uses its hard, strong and long beak to peck at the wood and make hole, and it can live, and it also can eat insects present in the wood. Peck at the wood means it makes hole by using its strong, long and straight beak to make a hole in the tree trunk, and it also can eat insects present in the wood with the help of its strong beak. Now probing beak. There are the pictures of hummingbird, sunbird and hoopoe. They have long and slender beak like a pipe or a straw. So look at the first picture. There is the picture of hummingbird. By its beak, it can suck nectar from flowers, while hoopoe take out insects and worms from the holes in the ground. So now comes to the next type of beak, that is sifting beak. Sifting means a sieve tube. That means there is a picture of duck. You can see a hole on the beak of the duck. This hole helps the duck to sift mud and water from the food. So duck has flat and broad beak which has small holes on both sides. This helps the duck to sift food from mud and water. Now last one is sticky beak. There is the picture of swallow. Swallow has a small, broad and sticky beak. So this beak is sticky from inside, which helps the swallow to catch flies while flying. When it flies, its beak helps it to stick flies on its beak. Now there is homework for you. Read chapter 5, page number 32, 33, 34 and learn different types of beaks with one example of each. Thank you and have a nice day.